Mannoe Tax Course. We're thrilled to have you here as we dive into Module 106, Mastering the 1099, Income Beyond the W-2. Whether you're an aspiring tax preparer, an entrepreneur, or a freelancer, this course is designed to empower you with the knowledge you need to navigate the world of non-traditional income. In this module, we'll explore what a 1099 is and why it's essential for those earning income outside of traditional employment. You'll learn about the different types of 1099 forms, including the 1099 NEC for freelancers and contractors, the 1099 MISC for miscellaneous income, and others that cover everything from interest to dividends. Understanding these forms is crucial for accurate reporting and ensuring compliance with IRS regulations. We'll also guide you through the process of reporting 1099 income on your tax return. You'll discover where to enter each type, the importance of matching your records with the IRS, and how to handle multiple 1099s effectively. This knowledge is vital for anyone looking to maintain financial integrity and avoid potential pitfalls. Self-employment comes with its own set of tax implications, and we'll break down how the 1099 NEC triggers the need for Schedule C and self-employment taxes. You'll gain insights into business expenses, deductions, and the importance of paying estimated taxes to steer clear of penalties. But it doesn't stop there. We'll equip you with valuable client education tips. You'll learn how to explain the significance of a 1099 to your clients, what steps to take if a 1099 is missing or incorrect, and how to prepare for tax season with effective record-keeping strategies. At Mannoe, our mission is to prepare our community not just to file taxes, but to thrive financially. The 1099 is more than just a form. It represents independence, entrepreneurship, and the potential for growth. By mastering this knowledge, you're unlocking new opportunities for yourself and your clients, paving the way for a secure financial future. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this module helpful, consider following us for more insights and tips. Together, let's embrace the world of tax preparation and empower ourselves and our communities. For any questions or further assistance, feel free to contact us at 305-469-1209 or visit our website at mannoetax.com. We're here to support you every step of the way.